What's up, guys? It's your boy Dre with another video. So I wanted to first thanks everyone that took the time to look at my video that was loaded up on my YouTube channel for the last maybe 3 years. I think it was 2019 regarding of the COT, how to learn how to set up COT with bar chart. And first of all, thank you so much, guys. And secondly, there was some updates on bar chart at the beginning of February of 2022. So I'm just gonna do a little update video on the previous video that I made. It's only one regarding of one specific part. On the video that I loaded up a few years ago, I'm just gonna put a pin on this video currently, so you could see exactly the video I'm talking about. I'm explaining exactly how to learn how to do COT with bar charts specifically. And in one of the section, there was I was saying that you need to look at the actual yellow post-it to get the COTLCC section of the commitment of traders, the COT. That will give you access to the actual numbers, the commercial numbers, so you could complete your COT. So since they changed the layout in February, I'm going to show you exactly where to get that information. Since it's not a post-it anymore, it's going to be on the actual chart, but there'll be a section specifically to look at it. Okay, so as you all know, to get the community of traders, you're going to go on bar chart, so barchart.com, and then you're going to go on the section futures. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to go on commitment of traders, and that'll be the first one, commitment of traders. So you're going to click on that. Perfect. And then you have all the commodities and indices here. Okay. And what we're going to look at is specifically their currencies. Okay. So we're going to go on for this example. It's going to be the same layout for every of the currencies or indices. But we're going to start with the DX or the DXY. Okay. You have to make sure, as always, you're going to be on the 3-year chart, okay, of data. And as you could see, if you over the price here, before on the previous layout, you had a yellow sticky note that was popping up with all of the list of the COT. You had A, B, C, L, S, whatnot, right? But here you don't have anything here. Okay, so how are you gonna get the COTLCC section would be in this section here. Okay, so you have COTLC. So let's say we're gonna go on this big candle right here. Okay, so if you hover on it, if you look at the bottom, if you go down, if you go down, you're gonna have the COTLCC, but the C section, since you don't see the C or the B or the A, whatnot, is gonna be the first number right after the COTLC. Okay, so on this example, you're gonna see that it's minus 13,585. Okay. So this is your COTLCC, okay? So same thing if you go on the next week, it's minus 15,671, okay? So we're gonna do an example for, let's say, for this period, the current period. So today we're February 28th. So if we wanna do the COT for this week, okay, we have to look at the last 2 weeks of data. So we'll have to look at the week of the 14th, okay, and the 21st, okay. So the 14th data right here, we had it at minus 41,548. And for the week after, the 21st, we had minus 41,368. Okay, so that's 548 minus 41,548 and minus 41,368. Okay, so as you all know, if it's going from week to week, so this week was smaller than this week, right? So it was going up in value, right? Because minus 41,548 is lower than minus 41,368, right? So it's going up in value. That means that for this week, for the week of the 28th, we're looking to have the US dollar going down, right? Shorting. Okay. So if you want to know more in details, it's only the example we're getting of the new layout I'm giving right now. If you want to have more details about how to learn how to get the information here specifically for the COT, make sure that you click on the pin post, the annotation upstairs, or you can go back to my YouTube channel, and you're gonna see all the previous videos and webinars that I did regarding that. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, and have a wonderful week and year of trading, and happy trading.